Hello, my YouTube family. You're here with Skipper Drones, and I'm bringing a little something different to the channel. We have here a 150-gallon tank I just purchased. For y'all who's been subscribed to my channel for a while from the beginning, I used to do my reviews in front of my other tank. It was a 120-gallon tank. It cracked at the bottom, you guys. So I just went out and bought this, and we will be refurbishing this together, putting it back together. I have already started buying the parts. I'm gonna put a 3D background on here. Yes, it's gonna be a nice project, you guys. I had my Piranha here. I had to move them to the 55-gallon. They mad at me right now because they are in such small enclosures, but I had to save them, and this was the only tank I had at the time for my guys. So we will be getting this together here. This 150-gallon tank. We'll be doing a 3D background. We got all the back here. We're gonna be doing all the plumbing. I got the subs in over there. Plus I got a couple more filters I'm gonna put on here. I got a sump 304B filter I'm gonna add to this, plus the sump. So it's gonna be plenty of filtration, and it's gonna help keep it clean a lot, you guys. But yes, we will be. I am so excited. We will be putting this together. I am finna start cleaning and prepping and getting everything ready, and we will be putting this together, you guys. So I hope you're ready to enjoy the adventure, and I will be back. Alright, my YouTube family, here we go. This is stage 1, the deep clean, you guys. It's gonna be a clean, I tell you, but it's gonna be worth it for the price I got it for. So starting stage 1, the deep clean, and I'll be back when we're getting started. Alright, my YouTube family, I have been here hours cleaning. Starting to see the big improvement. I still got a lot more cleaning to go though, but you're starting to see the improvement now. I'm going to be painting the overflows, get them back shiny, even though I am going to put a 3D background in this. And we're gonna do it all together, you guys. I have been polishing and scraping, but I'm kind of upset right now because when I bought this tank, it was dirty, so I didn't see all the scratches. So luckily they ain't deep scratches. They ain't catching my fingernails, so I ordered some stuff off of Amazon, and we'll be doing that together, you guys. It's supposed to buff the glass, polish it, and knock the scratches off. So hopefully that works, because this is going to be a very nice tank, you guys. So I'm going to end this here, and we're going to be waiting on the stuff to come in, so the rest of some more stuff, and I'm going to finish cleaning. But episode 2 is coming up. I don't want to keep this video too long. So this is the first episode of the 150-gallon bill. Refurbish. Alright, you guys, it's Skipper Drones, and I'm out. Hit that subscribe button if you like the video. Hit the thumbs up for me. And I will see you on the next video. I'm Skipper Drones, and I'm out.